Hello everybody, welcome back to channel WoodArena, incredible wood chipper Macchine, wood pellet making and how they use it. Operating the Morbark 50/48 whole tree wood chipper is a meticulous process that involves precision and attention to detail to ensure the efficient and productive chipping of fresh wood tops. Renowned as the largest and most productive drum wood chipper in the market, the 50/48 sex boasts a cutting-edge design that aligns with Morbark's leading industrial drum choppers. The key features of the 50/48 sex include a tilt feed, externally adjustable anvil, and a spacious work platform, facilitating easy access for routine maintenance. Periodic maintenance is crucial to ensure the machine's optimal performance and longevity. The externally adjustable anvil allows operators to fine-tune the chip size according to specific requirements, enhancing the chipper's versatility. One of the standout features of the Morbark 50/48 sex is its counter-rotating pin, providing superior downward pressure compared to conventional clamps. This design ensures forceful feeding of a variety of materials, making the chipper versatile for processing different types of wood efficiently. The Advantage 3 drums integrated into the Morbark 50/48 sex play a pivotal role in enhancing the quality and consistency of the wood chips. These drums are designed to produce chips with remarkable uniformity, making them ideal for various applications. The drum assemblies are available in two configurations: 10 knives for fuel chips and 20 knives for microchip applications. This adaptability allows operators to tailor the output according to the specific needs of the end product. The drum housings of the Morbark 50/48 sex are constructed from heat-treated Arkansas 450 steel, ensuring durability and longer wear life. This robust design not only contributes to lower replacement costs, but also minimizes downtime, resulting in a more cost-effective and efficient wood chipping operation. Load wood scrap type B using Doosan 210 megahenries. Position the industrial excavator, engage the grapple attachment, approach the wood scrap, rip securely, lift, and deposit into designated area for processing.
Our commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility begins with the careful selection of wood materials. We pride ourselves on sourcing all our wood from recycled streams, specifically utilizing the waste generated from timber production and wood product manufacturing. This not only helps reduce the environmental impact, but also contributes to the circular economy. Upon arrival at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, the biomass materials are meticulously sorted into various grades to ensure the production of high-quality wood pellets. Maintaining a dry source of wood is crucial, as it minimizes moisture throughout the manufacturing process. The next step involves the biomass being loaded into a grinder, where it is transformed into fine wood fiber, a key ingredient for the pellets. To guarantee the purity of our product, a magnet is employed to pick out any metal that may have inadvertently mixed with the wood during the collection process. The wood fiber then undergoes a remarkable transformation in the pellet mill. Under high pressure, it is extruded through narrow holes in a thick metal die. This compression generates heat, naturally softening the lignin present in the wood. Lignin, acting as a natural glue, imparts the final shape to the pellets without the need for any additives in the process. Freshly compressed, the pellets are hot from the friction of the shaping process. They journey to a cooling tank where a fan pulls air through a cooling tower filled with pellets, extracting heat from the manufacturing process. Simultaneously, the cooling tank removes any dust residue on the pellets, which is then recycled back into the raw material stream. The pellets, now cooled and cleaned, travel up another conveyor belt and are stored in large bins. They can either be loaded into trucks for bulk delivery or packaged into 40-pound bags and totes. Those packaged in bags or totes undergo thorough screening to remove fines and dust, ensuring a clean and manageable product for our customers. An automated bagging system controls the weight of the pellets, sealing and placing them on a skid for efficient handling. These bags are stored in our on-site facility in substantial inventory quantities, ensuring a constant supply for our customers. An automated bagging system controls the weight of the pellets, sealing and placing them on a skid for efficient handling. These bags are stored in our on-site facility in substantial inventory quantities, ensuring a constant supply for our customers. Thank you for exploring with us the incredible wood chipper, how to make wood pellets and how to use it. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content.